What's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. So guys, in this video we will be talking about the edge notification lighting. So what is it? If you don't know anything about that, so first of all, it's a notification light which blinks on the edges of your phone from up, down, bottom, right, left. Yeah, it blinks. It's a square basically which blinks again and again when the notification comes, and you can also have it whenever the call comes. You can also enable that feature. I'm going to tell you how you can get that edge notification lighting on your devices, and let's see in the video how you can get it. Watch till the end and you will get to know everything about the app. So yeah, let's get started. The second step, what you have to do, just go to the app, and after opening the app will ask you some permissions and grant all the permission it is asking for. And yeah, moving to the third step, before that, grant all the permission which the app is asking for, because basically it will work by your permissions. So grant them, and let's move on to the third step. Now the third step is open the main screen of the app. On the main screen on the top of the app, you can see that you have to enable the display lightning effect over there. Just enable that option and you're good to go. And after that, you can choose your style, which style you want to keep. Like if you want to keep the Galaxy S10 style, you can keep that. And if you want to manually adjust everything, radius, opacity and thickness, you can also adjust that. You can just make your own. So yeah, you can do all the things you want in the app, and you can customize everything. So you can also make the rounded you can also make the edges rounded. So yeah, that's what you can do in the app. And you can also adjust the colors, so you can also add it and change colors. So basically you can keep one single color, or you can add up many colors. So it's a option which is solid color, in which you can select one single color, or the mix option. You can't select any colors. It's a rainbow option. If you click it, the rainbow color will come, which I like the most out of any other option. So yeah, and after that, what you have to do to bring notification edges on your screen. So first of all, go slide to the second gallery of the app. So basically go to the second gallery of the app, and after that, there you will see notifications. With what app do you want to give notification to? Basically you have to select apps which you want notification, and there you can see all your apps are over there. So select that apps from which you want notification, which will display edge lighting. So basically select some of the apps you can select, because there is a limit to the apps which you can select. Like I think you can select 4 apps from which you can get edge lighting notification. So you can select 4 apps only, because it's a free version. For the paid one, you can select the more apps will be added up if you pay to the app. So yeah, if you take a premium plan, then you will get more options. But I think the free one is good enough to see what the app is having. And you can also add music to it. When the light is blinking, you can also add music to that. And yeah, it really is awesome app. So what you have to do, just enable that, select your 4 apps. You can also select the contacts apps, from which whenever the call comes, your lighting will link on. So as I was saying, if you select the contacts app, so whenever your call comes, it will blink. The light will blink on the edges of your phone. So that's how it does all the things. And yeah, it is a really cool app. So you are seeing me saying all these things, and you are thinking that it's difficult to do. It's really not difficult to do. If you go step by step, it's really easy. It will take you 50 seconds if you listen to me and do it. Like it will take you just 50 seconds, and that's all. That's everything you have to do. And I'm not telling you anything to do that. Just do this step and it will work, and it will work for good. So yeah, that's how you can get edge lighting notification, just like Galaxy S10. So yeah. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav, and yeah, So follow me on all my social media accounts because lot of content I am posting out right now. I will post everything I have on my list. So yeah, follow me there. You will get best out of me. So yeah, follow me. And yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe that and hit the bell like right next to the subscribe button, so every time I post a video you will be notified each single time. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button and that's all.